you can get your streets on back, give me 10 bills, nigga. Know y'all coming probably about 10 deep, so that's 10 kills, nigga. Free my nigga, one shot week, I told y'all we got skills, nigga. Headshot, ass Moody, harder and how shit feel. KP took a dirt, now boy, we really get on shit for real.
We little folks back in the cut. Yeah, nice, same, man. Listen, you see where we at again. You know this little parking lot area. We back at the gun range. I know you hear that in the background. You hear that? Oh, they stopped. But hey, man, we finna go ahead and get up in here. You know what I'm saying? You see, we brought the little Glock. This different Glock today. Guess what Glock this is? Go ahead and get down below. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and guess. But hey, we finna go ahead and get up in there. We finna go ahead. What we gonna do today? We gonna do like a little. We gonna do a 1v1. We gonna do a 1v1 type shit. You feel me? It's gonna be smooth. You feel me?
Who's doing the 1v1?
Me and you.
I'm not doing that.
You got that boy Big Mike behind the camera. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, we finna go ahead and get up there. We finna have fun. Y'all stay tuned, man. All right, YouTube. You see what we got right here? Me and my boy Big Mike, we finna play Battleship. You feel me? Playing Battleship at the gun range. You feel me? I didn't know you could do this until we got here. So you feel me? I said we was gonna do 1v1 or something. So hey, Jesus done bless something. So we finna play a little. What they say? Sinker sub rules. Matter of fact, they say the rules. Let's read the rules. It say choose a fleet and alternate shots. Hit inside the ring or touching the line count. Oh wait, what if you touch the line? Hell nah, you gotta hit the circle, please.
Oh.
Hell nah, we ain't doing that. And in first play to sink all the ships win. So, you know what I'm saying, we finna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and go first. Here we go. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and set it back to like, dang, what's this? I'm gonna go ahead and set it back to, how far should we do it? Let's just do like 6 yards. Let's see how far that is. That's not too bad, right? That's decent. Alright, bet. So we got the little battleship set up. So I'm finna go ahead and take the first shot. Alright, my ship's at the top, and Ben Mike's ships is gonna be at the bottom. So I have to shoot the bottom ships, and he has to shoot the top ships. So you know what I'm saying? Clear. We're finna go ahead. We're gonna throw the big one in there to get it started. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta go for the bottom. They can see the paper. Oh, I almost got that big.
I'm going for the top, right?
Yeah, and you gotta aim for the top. I bet, you see, you know what I'm saying? He just took his shot, I'm finna take mine. I'm going for the same spot. I want that big boat down. Oh, damn, I missed. I just shot in the water. Oh, where he finna hit it? Damn, where that bitch go? I'm gonna keep going till I take that big boat down. I at least hit the boat. You know what I'm saying? I ain't hit the circle, but I hit the boat. That is a little small old circle. I hit the boat.
Well,
you see right there in the gray, right above the one that's in the water?
Oh yeah.
I hit the boat. But not the circle. I'm getting closer though. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let's see if I can hit one of these small shits, because I only got one circle. Hell nah.
So what you hit the white too?
Yeah. I just hit the white.
Good.
I was trying to shoot the little small boat. I was trying to shoot the small boat.
Once I said and done, bro, I'm gonna hit this water.
Alright, let's see something there. Yeah, at least gotta hit the boat or something.
Nigga, I ain't no goddamn, you feel me?
He a lover. He ain't no shooter or a fighter.
Yeah, alright.
Should push your ass. Yo, I can't breathe for that long. Oh, he hit that big. He hit that big. What bomb doing?
Do some cover shit.
Some cover shit? Alright, bitch. Alright. I need to take at least one. Oh, he hit the water. He hit the water, okay. Damn, it was close as hell. I just hit right there, like right under the circle, man. He hit right above. He almost hit that big. Right above it, right there. Alright, bit. How much more we got? Oh, we got good luck. We counting that?
You talking about the one right there?
Right there on the left. It's on the left, but it's like it's on the line and in the circle.
I'm saying
it's mostly in the circle though.
I'm saying the second dot on the plane, right? Yeah, I see it.
You see it on the one all the way to the left?
I see it. Yeah, you count that.
I bet. So I gotta hit 2 more to take the big shit down. You know what I'm saying? Alright, that boy turn. See, he already took one of my shifts. I need to, you know what I'm saying, even the score. I need to up the score on him. Oh, he hit right in the corner up there in the water. Alright, man. We need to take one of these down. Oh, yeah. I hit it in the circle. I'm going for that big one now. That's 2 out of 3. One more and the big boy down. It's in the water. Look at that.
It's
in the water.
Bring it a little more. Yeah, no.
How much closer you need?
Right here.
Look at it. How much? It's in the water. Look, mine. Look. Hold on. Where is it? Look.
I ain't even talking about
it's on the line in the water.
I'm talking about this.
Then another one. That's mine too.
Hell nah, that's big.
You said count it, right?
You should count mine all up.
That's in the water, LeBron. Look at that. It's not even touching the line. It's still there. Look at that. Hell nah, LeBron. See, we're not gonna count this one. We ain't gonna count this one.
I'll count it. Shit, give me 2.
What you mean?
Count it.
Oh, you want that to count?
Yeah, if you count that one, I want to count that one.
No, hell no. That's we're not counting this one.
Why?
Cause look at it. It's not even in the circle. It's mostly in the water.
See that? That shit real. That shit real.
That real.
Damn now.
Where the fuck that bitch go? I don't even think you hit none that time.
Hell.
What you hit? Alright, bet. Watch it. I'm finna take the big shit down. I need one more circle. Ooh, I was that close.
Well,
that close.
Almost doesn't count.
I was that close.
Almost.
Where that bitch go? Hit the tip of the ship.
Oh, I'm hard.
That count. Nah, you gotta hit the circle.
That count.
You gotta hit the circle.
On the paper, it said ship.
Nah, no, it didn't. It said you gotta hit the circle or hit the line. And we ain't count the line. Look, little bro think he fine cause he up 1 on the score.
Damn, up score.
He up. What? All right, watch this. All right, this one for fun. Watch this.
24.
This one for fun. Watch this. Watch this.
You gotta hit for fun.
This one for fun.
You gotta hit for fun.
Where that bitch go?
Damn.
Damn, I just missed.
Well, I would be so disappointed.
I bet what the next one for fun, man. Cause I ain't doing no more. Yeah, where that big go?
I don't know, bro. I like the smell of that gun smoke. This one in. Nah, hell nah. Hell nah.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh, you trash. That's what.
Well, nah, that bitch doing something else. That's
Hit me.
come on, let's go. Where that go? Bro, what the fuck?
I know.
Alright, damn, nigga, you just. Hey, look, bro, you know we gotta pay for that kind of shit. Don't do that again. No, go ahead. Bro, what? Finish your ass so fast. Where that big go? In the water.
In the water, yeah. Shit.
Bro, I missed my limit again.
Sorry, bro.
You gotta, you gotta rank it in. Where that one go?
In the water.
Oh, yeah, look. Bro, I'm gonna take this nigga down, man. Oh my god, I hit the fuck.
You gotta take it down.
That boy hit the water.
No idea. Damn.
He barely missed that bitch. Alright, y'all. I gotta take this bitch down, bro. I'm tired of this motherfucker.
Sorry, bro.
Oh. I understand it now. Watch this. Watch this next shot. I'm finna beam that motherfucker right down. Look at all them shots just so close though. Where that one go? In the water. In the water. In the comments. Think about it. In the water. Oh, that bitch in the water. That boy shot the water. I seen that one hit. Man, be quiet, bro. I don't know what's going on, man.
I do. Yo, ass try it. I told you.
Look, I'm literally aiming for right there, and it's like. Hell nah. Alright, you got that one too? Yeah. Good, watch this. That bit right on the line.
Oh,
Bro, look at that. keep shooting the water, bro. I'm finna aim at something else right now because that one right there I cannot hit. That big circle. No, you ain't hit none, please. Man, fuck. Oh, yeah. Alright, man. I gotta take this bit down. Yeah, finally, bro. Finally.
What?
The one I've been aiming at. So that bit right there. Hey, I just up the scope. Now what? Now what? Ain't no shit. Sit down. Ooh, I almost got his ass. Right there. Literally, it's like on top of each other. Yeah, he's finna do. Where they hit at? You hit the same one again. You hit the same one 3 times, bro.
iPhone storage full.
Hey, yeah, I just got me you feel me? Pink and silver Glock 19 Gen 5, you feel me? I'm finna go ahead and throw a little mag in here. I'm gonna throw a little gray one in there. This is my first time shooting a 19 Gen 5, so we finna go ahead and see what that be like. Ooh. Oh yeah, I like this.
Smooth, ain't it?
Yeah, I like that.
Smooth, ain't it?
Yeah. Y'all seen that? I like that. I was just here with that.
Hell yeah.
Way better than this. I think it's the flash. I don't know what it is about this, but y'all seen that little 19 way better. So I'm definitely gonna come back and get me one of these. You feel me? You see Christmas coming up. I just got me a brand new AR, but that 19 is coming up next. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, he lucky she ain't coming here early with that little Glock. I would have told him up. You see that? I was just hitting with that. He lucky I ain't had that little gun earlier. I would have did him bogus. So hey y'all, look what I just came across right here. Would you look at this? I've never seen a 1911 that got a little extension at the bottom. Then on top of that, this is already a 10 round mag with a +2. Usually when you see a 1911, it got 8, right? So this one right here is already a plus so far right here. Like, come on, man. How can you not like this? Do you see this? Y'all need to, if y'all in my comments ask me what I want for Christmas, I want a 1911 that got 12 shots in it, alright?
Christmas tomorrow.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm finna upload this video tonight. I'm finna edit, upload this tonight. I need this, you feel me? So, hey, y'all tap in with me. You see him over there, he just chilling all day. He don't even want to play no more. Matter of fact, the game got messed up because, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you want to shoot all the shit.
I just, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I got bought some other artillery and I got a little excited. And I was just shooting. And the game got messed up and no one really won for real. If you really want to be technical, I won. I got way more shots on paper.
You wanted to shoot other shit.
I got way more shots on paper than he did. So, I mean, I don't know what to tell y'all, but I'm finna go ahead and dump the rest of this because why not? Oh. Alright, bet. Throw that over there. Yeah, come in again. Come in again. Hey, you see that bitch shooting fire? Lock back. Slide him out. Kick him out. Come back in again. On folks. Elba. You see what I just did? You see what I just did, right? Don't end up like that. Don't end up like that. You see what happens when you put your hands on the folks? You see that? You see how he not in the camera? I just made that nigga run. And he big as hell. You see what little folks be doing around that bitch? Bet the ass around this bitch. Bet the ass.
Shadow, you can get your street sign back, give me 10 bills, nigga. Know y'all coming probably about 10 deep, so that's 10 kills, nigga. Free my nigga, one shot week, I told y'all we got skills, nigga. Headshot, ass Moody, hard and hot shit feel. KP took a dirt now, boy, we really get on shit for real.